I made the box deep enough so it was able to take all the cord. Like that. Given this is the first prototype, I did not add any pilot holes for the screws. I should have. Oops. Well, hopefully it doesn't crack. Let's see. Not too bad. Didn't hear any cracking. Bet G handled that like a champ. Nice. Now, I've plugged my inverter's meter in. Decent. Now I can turn it off and on, turn the light off and on. Awesome. Nice. I'm definitely happy with this box. Prototype turned out perfectly as long as you use PET G. No problem screwing those screws in or anything. I went the flat texture on the bottom and then, yeah, bumped it around the sides just to make it look a little bit more fancy. And then it matches my plate a little bit better. Yeah, got to work on the grain to try to get more like my plate. But that's not here then. So you can find this 2500 watt inverter down in the description below. It is a 12 watt inverter with a automatic transfer switch built in. It's pretty sweet actually. Still need to test the automatic transfer switch part of it. You can also find this model down in the description below. And that'll take you over to my 3D designing site where you can download it for free. Have a great day. Peace.